The air is thick and heavy. Sunlight squeezes through the leaves. The ground is soft, covered in dark green moss. The only sounds are distant bird calls and the slow drip of water. Deep in this jungle, something special is about to happen. A reticulated python moves through the undergrowth. Its scales shimmer like diamonds in the filtered light. Not far away, a jaguar stalks quietly. Its golden eyes flash as it moves between the trees. Both are kings of this jungle, but today, only one can win. This is no ordinary day. The python and the jaguar are about to meet. Both are hungry. Both are strong. Both are ready for a showdown that will decide who is truly the king of the jungle. In this wild, tangled world, only the smartest and strongest survive. Who will it be? The silent serpent or the spotted shadow? Let's meet our challengers. The reticulated python is the longest snake in the world, a true giant that silently glides through the dense jungles of Southeast Asia. This remarkable reptile can be found slithering among the thick undergrowth, almost invisible to the untrained eye, yet its presence is felt by every creature in its domain. Some reticulated pythons can grow longer than a car, over 6 meters, which is almost 20 feet. In rare cases, they can even reach lengths of over 7 meters, making them not only the longest snakes alive today, but also among the heaviest. Imagine encountering a snake that stretches across an entire road or rivals the length of a small bus. Its body is thick and incredibly strong, covered in beautiful, net-like patterns that shimmer in the dappled sunlight of the rainforest. These intricate markings help the python blend seamlessly into its surroundings, making it almost impossible to spot when it lies still. This python is a master at hiding. Its camouflage is so effective that even experienced jungle explorers can walk right past it without noticing. It waits quietly for hours, sometimes even days, perfectly motionless in the undergrowth. The python's patience is legendary. It will not move until the perfect moment arrives, conserving its energy for a single, decisive strike. When hunting, the python strikes with lightning speed, faster than the blink of an eye. Its attack is sudden and precise, giving its prey almost no chance to escape. It uses its sharp, backward-curving teeth to grab its meal, locking on tightly so the animal cannot break free. Then, it wraps its massive muscular body around the animal, coiling tighter and tighter with each passing second. With every breath the prey takes, the python squeezes even tighter, cutting off the animal's ability to breathe. This powerful constriction is what makes the python such an effective predator. Soon, the animal can't breathe at all, and the struggle ends. The python's method is silent, efficient, and deadly. The python's grip is like a vice, its muscles flexing with incredible force. Few animals can escape once caught in these coils, but the python has weaknesses. Despite its strength, it is not fast. Its movements are slow and deliberate, especially when it is not hunting. It cannot chase prey over long distances. If an animal spots the python before it strikes, it can usually escape with ease. That's why the python depends on surprise and patience. It must wait for the perfect opportunity, relying on its camouflage and stillness to catch its next meal. If it misses its chance, it may go hungry for weeks or even months. Food can be scarce, and a failed hunt means a long, hungry wait until the next opportunity comes along. Despite its size and strength, the python must always be cautious. There are bigger, stronger hunters in the jungle, like jaguars and crocodiles, that see the python as prey. In the jungle, even the biggest snake can become prey. The silent giant must always be alert, for survival here is a constant battle between hunter and hunted. The jaguar is the biggest cat in the Americas, a true symbol of strength and mystery in the dense rainforests and winding rivers of Central and South America. With its piercing gaze and powerful build, the jaguar commands respect from all who share its territory. Although it is smaller than the mighty lion or the striped tiger, the jaguar is by no means less powerful. In fact, its compact size makes it even more agile and adaptable in the thick jungle undergrowth, where stealth and speed are key to survival. Jaguars have thick, muscular bodies built for strength and endurance. Their beautiful yellow fur is covered in unique black spots called rosettes, which help them blend perfectly into the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. Each jaguar's pattern is as unique as a fingerprint, making every individual special. These magnificent cats can weigh up to 120 kilograms, or about 265 pounds. That's heavier than most adult humans, and their sheer size gives them an advantage over many other animals in their habitat. Their strong, muscular legs make them excellent jumpers and climbers. Jaguars can leap great distances to surprise their prey, or climb trees to rest and watch for danger. Their agility allows them to move through the forest with silent grace. Jaguars are famous for their incredibly powerful bite, which is stronger than that of any other big cat. Their jaws are built like a vice, packed with muscle and designed to deliver a crushing force. With this strength, they can bite straight through the skulls of their prey, and even crack open the thick, hard shells of turtles, something few other predators can do. This bite is one of the strongest of any big cat in the world, allowing the jaguar to hunt animals that others cannot. Jaguars are masters of stealth. They hunt by stalking quietly, moving through the shadows with barely a sound. Their spotted coats help them disappear into the jungle, making them nearly invisible to both prey and rivals. When the moment is right, they pounce with lightning speed, aiming for the head to deliver a quick, fatal bite. This hunting style is both efficient and deadly, ensuring the jaguar wastes no time or energy. Jaguars are not just fast and clever on land, they are also excellent swimmers, often crossing rivers and hunting fish or caimans. Their ability to climb trees and run swiftly through the jungle makes them one of the most versatile predators in the animal kingdom. Moving silently through the dense undergrowth, jaguars can approach their prey without being detected. Their patience and skill make them formidable hunters. However, unlike the python, which can wait motionless for hours or even days, the jaguar prefers action. It doesn't have the patience to wait for long periods. Instead, the jaguar likes to end the hunt quickly, using its speed and power to overpower its target in moments. Still, even a powerful jaguar faces dangers in the wild. Other predators, territorial disputes, and unexpected encounters can put it at risk. If a jaguar is surprised, caught in a trap, or injured, it can get hurt just like any other animal. Human activity and habitat loss also threaten these majestic cats. But usually, the jaguar reigns supreme as the top predator in its world, a true king of the jungle, respected and feared by all who cross its path. Let's look at the facts. When comparing two of the jungle's most formidable predators, it's important to break down their physical attributes, size, weight, and strength, to truly understand what makes each of them so unique and powerful in their own right. The reticulated python is famous for its incredible length. This snake is actually the longest snake species in the world. Some individuals can reach up to 6 or even 7 meters, which is about 20 to 23 feet long. That's longer than most cars you see on the road, and much longer than any jaguar could ever hope to be. But when it comes to weight, the jaguar takes the lead. Jaguars are stocky, muscular cats built for power. Most adult jaguars weigh between 80 and 120 kilograms, or about 175 to 265 pounds. The python is heavy too. Large ones can weigh up to 75 kilograms, or about 165 pounds, but most are lighter than a big jaguar. So, while the python wins in length, the jaguar is the heavyweight champion. The python's strength is in its muscles. Its entire body is like a living rope of pure muscle, designed for one thing: constriction. It can squeeze the life out of animals much larger than itself, using its powerful coils to suffocate prey in a matter of minutes. Unlike the jaguar, it doesn't have claws or sharp teeth for tearing flesh. Its teeth are backward-facing and mainly used to grip, not to rip. Its attack is all about wrapping and squeezing, relying on patience and stealth to ambush its prey before striking with lightning speed. The jaguar, on the other hand, is armed with powerful jaws and razor-sharp claws. Its teeth are designed to pierce skulls and shells, making it one of the few big cats that can kill with a single bite. It can run fast for short distances, using explosive bursts of speed to chase down prey or escape danger. Its bite is legendary, strong enough to crush bones and even pierce the thick shells of turtles, a favorite snack in the wild. It has quick reflexes and strong muscles in its legs, perfect for pouncing, climbing, and dragging heavy prey through dense jungle. Both animals are strong in different ways. The python is a silent, patient ambusher, while the jaguar is a fast, powerful hunter. The python is a master of stealth and grip, blending into its surroundings and striking when least expected. The jaguar is a king of speed and power, ruling its territory with unmatched strength and agility. In the end, both are perfectly adapted to their roles as top predators in the jungle ecosystem. Imagine the meeting. The python is resting, half hidden under leaves. Suddenly the jaguar smells something strange. It moves closer, muscles tense, eyes alert. The python senses the vibrations through the ground. It knows danger is near. If the jaguar surprises the python, it will try to attack fast. It may go for the snake's head with one powerful bite. A bite here could kill the python quickly. But if the python spots the jaguar first, it might strike out with lightning speed, trying to grab the big cat. If the python catches the jaguar and wraps around it, the battle changes. The jaguar will use its claws, trying to scratch and bite free. The python will squeeze with all its might, hoping to end the fight fast. Everything comes down to who acts first. Speed, surprise, and timing decide who wins this jungle showdown. In the wild, these two animals rarely meet. Jaguars usually hunt mammals like deer, capybaras, and even caimans, but they have been known to hunt large snakes too. Some jaguars have actually been seen killing and eating anacondas, another giant snake. Pythons, on the other hand, hunt by ambush. They wait for the perfect moment, then strike. They can eat animals as big as pigs or deer. But a jaguar is fast, smart, and very dangerous. The jaguar's best chance is a quick, deadly bite to the python's head. Its teeth can punch through thick bone. The python's best hope is to wrap up the jaguar before it gets bitten. Once wrapped, even a jaguar could struggle to escape. Real-life reports tell us jaguars have killed large snakes, but it is always a risky fight. Both animals are brave, but the jaguar has more experience fighting tough prey. If the python strikes first, it could wrap around the jaguar's body. Its grip is almost impossible to break. The jaguar would fight, scratching and biting, but if it can't break free, it could lose the battle. If the jaguar bites first, especially at the python's head, the fight could end quickly. The python's body is strong, but its head is not armored. A single bite from the jaguar's powerful jaws could be deadly. Sometimes, luck decides the winner. The jungle is full of surprises. A fallen branch or a sudden movement could help one animal escape or attack. Both animals must use all their skills, senses, and strength. In this jungle, there are no easy victories. Every fight is dangerous, even for the strongest hunters. So, who would win? The jaguar has a big advantage. Its speed, quick reflexes, and super strong bite make it a dangerous enemy for any animal, even a giant python. Jaguars have been seen killing big snakes in the wild. Their hunting skills are sharper, and they are used to fighting tough prey. The python is still a mighty opponent. If it can catch the jaguar by surprise and wrap around it, it has a chance. But this is not easy. Jaguars are smart and hard to surprise. Most of the time, the jaguar will spot the snake first and attack with a deadly bite. Overall, the jaguar wins most battles. Its sharp teeth, strong jaws, and clever mind make it the ultimate jungle hunter. The python is a silent giant, but the jaguar rules the shadows. In the end, the jaguar's speed and power are just too much for even the longest snake. Now it's your turn. Do you agree with the verdict, or do you think the python could win in some cases? Maybe you like the python's patience or the jaguar's strength. Imagine your own jungle battle. Both animals are amazing. They show us how wild nature can be. Each is a champion in its own way. Which one would you bet on in the ultimate jungle showdown? Share your thoughts with friends, family, or teachers. Who is your jungle champion? The silent serpent or the spotted hunter? The adventure continues.